degré d'affrontation des quatre nations et dans l'esprit de cette...
Better again, and Better has fed Jesper Lindström, who left it behind for...
Gas with the Capital One Venture Fund.
Breaker one now is chucking.
Now, none of the feeds work. I believe the location guard failed. So I'm just and it's just a type of error.
Between these two border rivals, Sweden.
Now, your first alert weather with Nashville's only live local radar.
And WSMV has gone to severe weather.
I'd like to give you an update on the weather while stoppers in a quick commercial break. Let's take a look at our...
Insurance made easy. Get more with Geico.
They always put it here. PBS doesn't do any weather reports. WZTV has this code red alert because is the local code red station in Nashville. And as you see here, all of this is taken in Worcester. I have my location guard here, so its system notices that I'm in Nashville. And that's the end of local channels.
Colonial Pen Program.